Meaning of disastrous.
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 Disastrous. Disastrous refers to something that is causing great damage or harm, with an outcome that is highly negative and possibly even catastrophic. The term typically describes situations that are characterized by widespread destruction, loss of life, and a significant impact on the environment or communities affected. Some examples of disastrous events could include natural disasters like earthquakes and hurricanes, industrial accidents such as oil spills or nuclear meltdowns, or even failures in political or economic systems that cause social upheaval and suffering. In short, disastrous implies a situation in which the consequences are dire and long-lasting.